Welcome to the Center for Sustainable Employment. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install the SurveyCTO Collect app. Click on the APK file, press Install, and then press Open. Please give all the permissions necessary for the app to be installed. Then click on Run Quick Setup. You will receive your username, server name and password from us. Please enter these details on the page. After entering the details, press on the blue button which says Run Quick Setup. After this is done, you will be connected to the server and then you will be on the home page of the SurveyCTO app.